Number 1. The 1967 Mercury Cougar, priced at $9,500. This light blue powder blue car is still running and drivable. The interior appears fairly well preserved, although there's some signs of aging, like scratches on the driver's seat. The engine seems original, though it may have undergone some minor repairs and updates, such as on the air filter. The car still requires repairs to the turn signals and brake lights to function properly. Based on the overall appearance, it likely retains around 90% of its original parts. The seller is offering the car for $113,000, or best offer negotiable, and has complete paperwork. Number 2. The 1972 Mercury Montego GT, priced at $8,000. This car has been upgraded with a high-performance 302 CI V8 engine. It comes with an automatic transmission and maintains the iconic factory color combination of white with burnt orange stripes and a matching roof. The interior also matches with burnt orange, giving a classic yet sporty impression. Other features include a cowl hood with black accents, power steering, and a Marty Deluxe report that adds historical value. The MSD ignition system enhances reliability, while a tachometer mounted on the steering column makes RPM monitoring easy. The car is equipped with chrome bumpers with bumper guards, BF Goodrich radial tires, and Magnum 500 wheels, adding a vintage and performance look to this classic car. Number 3. The 1972 Plymouth Satellite, priced at $19,500, with around 100,000 miles. It is equipped with the original 318 engine and an automatic transmission, dual exhaust, power steering, and power disc brakes. The interior remains original, with bucket seats in good condition and a center console. It features a rally dashboard with a speedometer up to 150 miles per hour. Several new components have been added, such as a fuel center unit, heater core, marker lights, wiper washer tank and pump, and road runner horn. The front brakes have been upgraded with new calipers, hoses, and additional components, including new rotors, bearings, and seals. It also has new valve cover gaskets and a mini starter. 14-inch BF Goodrich tires are mounted, and the car is in good running condition. However, there is some rust on the soft driver floor, front fender, lower quarter, and a spot on the passenger side rocker. The chassis and other parts, such as doors, hood, and trunk, are solid. It includes a Road Runner hood, lower grille, and tough-style steering wheel, making it an attractive restoration project or ready-to-drive car as it stands. Number 4. The 1961 Oldsmobile 98 Sport Sedan, priced at $8,500. This classic two-door hardtop is in relatively good condition for its age. The exterior has a green and white roof combination that gives it a vintage feel. The interior is neat, with cream seats accented in green to match the exterior color. This car has had some mechanical upgrades, such as a rebuilt 330 engine with 7A heads, stainless valves, adjustable roller rockers, a mild cam, and a 4-barrel aluminum quad-eject carburetor. Dual exhausts with cherry bombs produce a distinctive sound. The 200R4 transmission has been rebuilt with a shift kit for better gear shifts, featuring 410 gears and PY. The steering wheel is from a 1960s Dodge Phoenix, adding a unique touch. New weather stripping for the doors is available but not yet installed, showing the previous owner's attention to detail in maintaining the car. Number 5. The 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D, priced at $7,500. This car has been modified for drag racing. The rear section features a solid roll cage for safety during races. The interior has been stripped down, with most standard components removed, and a racing fuel cell added to the rear cabin. The engine bay includes a large radiator area, indicating it was designed for maximum cooling, as needed for racing. The exterior showcases a red body with white and green stripes on the hood. The car has large wheels and tires suitable for acceleration on straight tracks. Overall, it has an aggressive look and is ready for drag racing, though it may require additional work if intended for street use. Number 6. The 1973 Buick Electra 225, priced at $10,900, features a 455 V8 engine and only 66,000 miles on the odometer. The exterior is in excellent condition, with a red finish and a distinctive white vinyl roof, free from rust due to consistent winter storage. Both the front and rear chrome gleam, showing signs of careful upkeep. Inside, it boasts comfortable brown leather seats and a classic with dashboard with neatly arranged instrument panels. The car comes with luxury features like power seats and windows, cruise control, and a sunroof, enhancing the driving experience. The engine is clean and well-maintained, ready to deliver top performance on the open road, with a smooth driving experience. With the right care, this classic vehicle holds great potential to become even more special for its next owner. Number 7. The 1970 Cadillac DeVille, priced at $7,500. This two-door car is in fairly good condition with the original 472 engine and 75,000 miles and runs very well. However, there's a slight gasket leak on the driver's side manifold that needs replacement, although the engine noise quiets down after warming up. The car has been modified with 20 to 22-inch rims and an air suspension with airbags and a compressor in the trunk. Some areas on the exterior show small rust spots, though it still has an appealing look with the classic blue color typical of the era. The interior is well maintained, with the seats and dashboard still in good condition. Number 8. The 1977 Ford Granada, priced at $16,000. This White Lightning Edition is in good condition with 56,000 miles. It comes with a 3-speed automatic transmission, a recently painted white exterior with red accent stripes, characteristic of the special edition. The front and rear show well-maintained original grills and lights, and the wheels and tires are also clean and well-kept. The maroon red interior is tidy, with leather seats still in good condition, and the dashboard and instrument panel reflect the low mileage. The engine compartment is also clean and well-maintained, giving the impression that this car has received comprehensive care. Number 9. The 1977 Pontiac Firebird Formula, priced at $10,000, equipped with a 400 big block engine with a mild camshaft and a Demon Holly Dome 650 Elder Block double pumper carburetor. The car has 41 headers connected to a Summit Racing dual exhaust system, producing a great sound while it starts and drives. It requires further work to reach optimal condition. Parts like the carpet, headliner, and paint need replacement or updating. The brakes need better calibration, and the header gasket should be replaced. Additionally, though offset wheels with good tires are installed, this car is not show-ready and is more suited as a winter restoration project for someone willing to put in the work. Number 10. The 1967 Ford Mustang, priced at $12,000. The car needs significant repair to body and chassis. Most body panels are available, including the floor, rear quarter panels, trunk floor, wheel houses, and lower inner fender panels. It has a low-mileage 351 Windsor engine with new dual exhaust. The car can start and drive, but only the front brakes work. The interior is still fairly good and tidy, though the carpet needs replacement. The car is sold at a firm price with no trade offers. Number 11. The 1977 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $5,900. This car requires attention in several areas. It has a good title and is drivable, though it hasn't passed inspection. The interior shows signs of wear and tear, especially on the seats, which need reupholstering. The engine bay is dirty, with some cables that might need rearrangement to ensure optimal performance. The body paint is dull and peeling in some spots, indicating it needs a repaint. There is rust on the lower rear section, particularly in the trunk floor area, which likely needs replacement. The car also has a sunroof, a V8 305 engine, and an automatic transmission, but lacks AC. Essential repairs include replacing tires and general maintenance to ensure performance and driving comfort. Number 12. The 1978 Dodge Aspen, priced at $3,195. The car is in excellent condition, with an original paint that has never been redone. The exterior retains a brown color typical of the era, and is well preserved without dents or major damage. The interior is also original, with front and rear seats showing slight wear but remaining clean. The trunk compartment is tidy, with an orderly spare tire area. The slant 6 engine appears neat and clean, indicating good maintenance, with a functioning automatic transmission and around 91,000 miles. This car is ready for daily use with good fuel efficiency. Number 13. The 1978 Mercury Cougar XR 7 Coupe 2D, priced at $10,000. The car has a clean title and is powered by a 351 Cleveland engine with an automatic transmission and 50,000 miles. The car has a striking appearance, though the body still needs work to be tidier. The current finish and paint are average and would benefit from further bodywork to achieve a perfect result. Nevertheless, it's still a pleasant car to drive as a rider and is offered at an affordable price. Number 14. The 1977 AMC Hornet AMX, priced at $10,000. It is equipped with an inline 6 engine and a manual transmission. The car is still drivable and runs, though a tune-up is recommended for optimal performance. The condition shows some areas needing repair, particularly the underside, such as the floor and leaf spring mounts, though the main frame is intact. The interior shows wear, with worn seats and some rust around the hatch area. The exterior is yellow, with some rust and scratches on the front and around the lights. The owner is open to trades only if there is an AMC Gremlin available. Number 15. The 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, priced at $1,000. This is a restoration project that needs considerable attention to be road ready. It comes with a 425 7L engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission. According to the seller, the body has rust damage in several areas, especially on the side panels, lower edges, and inner wheel wells, which show significant corrosion. The engine appears to be intact but has not been operated for a long time and will need maintenance. Some parts of this car are still original, and it also features several luxury amenities from its era, such as power windows, power seats, power disc brakes with a dual master cylinder, power steering, air conditioning, tinted glass, and an adjustable steering wheel. Additionally, it has rare old polycast wheels and new radial tires.